It wasn't meant to be. To be or not to be? Not meant to be means be gone with you. For all we know, we were protected from a mass murdering thief. Or at very least, bedbugs. Or venereal disease. Guy come into your room, start humping the pipes.
It's probably gonorrhea everywhere.
Well, I hope it's gone.
Juice!
Hey, welcome back to our Stupid Rex. It's Korbins.
I'm Rick.
Instagram, Twitter, JuiceCon, and BAM! Today,
Juicy what?
oh, juice. Today we got DHONI'S 10 best helicopter shots.
Who's he?
Do you know what a helicopter shot is?
Yes, it's the thing before they ever had drones, and they had to do the shots like in The Sound of Music. Do
Do you ever helicopter yourself?
Helicopter shot. I always helicopter myself. That's one of the best ways to please myself.
You know what that is, right?
Why are we talking about this?
Anyways, a helicopter shot in cricket. The helicopter shot is the act of hitting the ball by the means of a wristy flick,
A wristy flick.
using the bottom hand as the dominant force. It's
Oh,
like a-
okay, so you're doing a wristy flick.
like a-
Is this wristy flick, also known as the helicopter shot, one of the best ways to attack a Yorker?
From what I heard from the video, yeah.
It would seem like it to me.
The shot gets its name from the flourish completing the stroke with the bat circled over.
Cricketed overhead. And I understand, thank you, stupid babies,
Got
for
a lot of
educating.
information
Yeah,
about
got
that.
a lot of information that you can, the batsman can
Step
approach,
up, yeah.
but then you're risking something because the ball hasn't been released yet, so it may not be a Yorker. If you're guessing Yorker and it comes at it could hit you in the face.
Yeah.
So these are and that they're hard. Yorkers apparently are also really hard to lift. But I bet if you gave it a little flick.
Swish and flick. Here we go. DHONI'S 10 best helicopter shots.
Hi, honey.
about that particular shot.
Wow.
It's like a. Ugh.
Whoa!
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before.
Never seen a shot like that before.
That's real. Look at the bottom hand. And look at how we finish it.
Wow.
And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPC here. And he's cleared it quite easily.
Whoa!
Dhoni is the ball. He's in the air. Fina tried to get underneath it. And he's...
How high was that?
Now, just watch this back. Just.
That was
There you go.
launched.
That'll do. Sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
Good grief.
Yeah, you can definitely tell it's a different style of shot than like the normal ones we see. Obviously, I'm sure it's just like baseball, if not more. There's so many different ways to hit a ball because obviously you can hit it all around you.
Yeah.
As opposed to obviously with baseball, obviously there's this little box that I mean you can hit it outside the box, but that's kind of. But because you have to hit it within this range.
Exactly. And for those of you who may be new to watching us react to cricket things, because we've reacted to a lot of cricket stuff over the past 3 years, we make the comparison to baseball not because we think that they're related sports, though that is a common misconception we were guilty of at the very beginning. We make that comparison because it's the closest we can understand sport-wise that we've experienced, where you actually have a bat and a ball and you hit and you swing.
Yeah.
So, the more we learn about both what bowlers do and batters do, I don't want to say that there's more complexity because I don't believe. It's just a different kind of complexity that's its own world. There's, like, I understand when people used to get upset when we make the comparison. It's the only world we know. But the more I learn about cricket, the more you realize there's actually more different in cricket than there is similar to baseball.
Yeah.
It's just the complexity of what has to happen.
And obviously Dhoni's like the best at what he does.
Yeah,
obviously.
it's a complete, they're very different animals. I guess it would be comparable to saying that like tennis and ping pong look really similar to each other. Completely different animals.
Yeah, 1000%. Yeah, it was great. Let us know more videos of cricket in general, or Dhoni, or other cricketers that we need to know about.
Who's that guy that wore the? He had that team, and I think it was 1983.
Dav Patul.
That's him. Yeah.
No.
Oh wait, no. No, he was the same guy who was the actor in Lion. He was also a big cricket player.
Kapil Dev.
Kapil Dev. That was it.
He was in Lion. He's a good actor.
Yep.
Let us know other videos we react to down below.
Just